Hi, welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will see how to approve expenses in ESS. Based on the workflow defined, as a reporting manager, you can approve the expense claims submitted by your reportees. Once your team member applies for reimbursement expenses, you will receive an email notification with details of the claim request. You have the option to approve or reject the claim directly in the email without having to log into ESS. We will now look at the steps to approve or decline the expense claim request in ESS. Click the menu bar on the home page. Click Approvals. Select the type of approval, the financial year from the drop-down, and submit it for approval. All the claims which have been submitted for approval will be displayed. Select the claim you wish to approve or decline. Enter the remarks and click Approve or Decline. Once you click Approve, the status will be displayed as Submitted to Accounts. An email notification will be sent to your reportee that you have approved or declined the claim, and the request will be processed accordingly. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.